Okay, this actually.
I'm afraid to stand up in here though. Have you ever been in here?
Hurt.
Oh.
That actually hurt.
Oh no, it's not that slippery.
He punched my noggin.
What? Kill! Punch my noggin. That's so funny. Why did Kara punch me?
See you,
It's
Paul.
not acceptable.
Watch me.
Oh my god.
I don't like this.
I don't like this. I love this one bit. I love this more than one bit. I love this super more than one bit.
What did you say?
A wolf fight? What?
Come in here.
Are you getting it on video too?
Oh,
That's
yeah.
what you do?
You want a pizza me?
You want a pizza me?
You want a pizza me?
Yeah, that's the way you say, hey, you want a pizza
Does
me?
that hurt?
Piece of me. Oh
Alright,
my god.
I was trying to bring it around behind you.
Exactly. Oh, run, fucking kid. They can be a man. Run. Fucking kid.
Oh!
You didn't see that coming.
I didn't.
Beautiful sky. In the sky. Beautiful sky. No. Wait, what
You're
is this?
toast.
Oh yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Do it.
Does that hurt?
Too rough?
Oh
I'm
she.
sorry. I won't do it that. I'll do it higher next time. This time we're gonna throw you over the top of the
No, I'm not doing the baby. Get the baby. That's the baby. What a... Oh, the video just rolled. And over 2 minutes.
I got you
In
both.
2 minutes.
You said you wanted a real fight.
It
You're
just,
getting one.
the video just rolled.
Okay, I'm gonna land on you.
Oh no! Do it.
You didn't see that coming.
No, I didn't do it.
I like Nora's little this.
Boxer
move.
Oh no, my god! Oh my gosh!
Oh. All right. I think that's enough for me.
No, it is not. No.
Oh, Spencer, watch out for my foot. You see it right there?
Yeah.
Did you see it? Oh, no, don't do it.
Through me.
You fell on your own. Oh, that was your plan?
I'm making my
Oh, be careful. Don't go off the side there. You'll rip it.
Yeah.
You want a real battle? Come on. What?
My God!
I swear to you.
I haven't fallen down yet. And I'm not going. I don't know if I can get back up.
Get her!
Hey,
Please.
over here.
Oh,
I'm just afraid of you riding someone with that thing.
Back here.
Oh,
I'll
what are you
bring
doing?
her to you. No.
You're dirty now. Okay, hold on. Watch this.
Now.
Oh, look at me.
What the heck is that? What the heck is that?
Whoa.
This tiny little hair.
She's dirty now.
Oh, you just... Don't do it to
Betsy,
me.
you're getting big.
Oh yeah. Okay.
All right, guess what? I'm getting wobbly.
This is part of a real fight.
Uh-huh.
Yeah!
You know what? I'd hate to see you fall down. You don't want to fall. Not from way up here.
What? What
Yeah,
is
here.
what leg?
I'll throw you over the top. I'll throw you out.
Finally, getting out.
No? Get that butt down. Get that butt down. Oh!
Okay.
All right, I'm getting out.
Yeah.
Yes.
Got out.
This is part of a real fight.
Okay.
Ow!
What?
Daddy!
In the what in the heck in the heck?
This is part of a real fight.
Yeah?
Get back in.
Yeah! Run!
I can't tell where your head
Run
is
for
and
my
throw
life.
the dude.
Hey, over here. Yeah, over here.
Hey, you're looking at the wrong person. And get. We're gonna push, pushing. Whoa! I dodged it! I dodged it!
Wait,
I
corner up.
Okay.
Corner up.
What the
Yeah,
heck?
Where are you learning these phrases?
Sounds like you've been watching wrestling.
Spencer, corner up. That means head left. You're distracted. Well, I get him.
Hey, watch this! Get it! And it's gonna go
Whoa.
on. And it's gonna hold on.
Whoa! I'm going down. I'm going down.
Hold it.
Oh no! One down.
Oh my God, we got it.
Yes, we did
I
it.
can't get up.
Yay!
What? Yeah! What? What the heck? In the heck?
This is Barb. Ready, down! Yeah!
You shouldn't have let me get you spinning around.
You can spin it out,
Oh,
spin it out. I'm gonna get it out. I'm gonna get it out.
Okay, time out.
No. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, watch out. When I get up, it's very easy for me to step on you. I'm not too balanced here.
Oh no. What the?
Ow! Save yourself!
Save what?
Yourself.
Okay, that was my turn. Then. See you tomorrow.
Hey! What? Someone else's turn.
Oh, that might have been fun a long time ago. I get busy.
Come back! Yeah, you!
Who won?
Come back! This is not a goose!
This is not a game fight. Come back. We want to keep fight.
Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh! That's me. Yeah!
Kids win?
Oh, yeah.
I thought I did pretty
Victory! We're celebrating with a little bit of swing time. This is way more fun than broken watch machines, to be honest.
Guys, try this at home.
What? No!
Try this at home.
No, guys, I'm running away. I'm out.
Try this at home.
No.